Today I'll be showing you a new outline edges feature in Camtasia 2022. Okay, first things first is we're going to need to import our media in our library. So we'll go ahead and click library, or media that is, and right click, import media, or we can hit this plus sign here. That'll do the same thing. So let's go ahead and import it. There's the video that I want to get into my media bin. Hit open. Now what I want to do here is drag it onto my timeline. And there you have the video that I want to use this effect on. We'll go into visual effects, scroll down until you see outline edges, so you can drag it onto the media to our right, or I'll just bring it down into the clip below. And what I'm going to do here is shut the audio. So let me just separate the audio and video. By doing separate audio and video, then I will mute this. There you go. We click on properties. Right, so here in properties, if you go to the bottom right, you can control the intensity by these sliders here. Also to desaturate, which brings back the color. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to use this effect. However, it does look pretty good if you're trying to do some sort of animation. Obviously, it would have been cool if you used it for a Halloween clip or something along those lines. Also, I've added an in and out effect, or ease in and out effect, so it shows me into a normal phase turning into something else. So that would be kind of cool if you're creating some sort of zombie movie and you want to have someone turn into something that looks unnatural. That would work. Now before I end this tutorial, I wanted to show you some small edits I did to another video using this effect. I was surprisingly pleasant with the results. There's a small video clip of a fireball twirling around in the sky. So as I played around with it, you can see with the sliders, it turning from black and white. So it gives it this really cool effect that may be efficient to use later and also helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.